Hello friends! Welcome to Manya's Magical Closet. Today we are going to do our October Flinto box. It is our fourth activity, building a rain stick. Let's open and see what is inside. Friends, these are the parts in our building a rain stick activity. Let's see what the parts are. These are beads, support stick, transparent tube, these straw thingies, type of those are filters, separators. These are lids, stoppers, transparent tube, and the support stick. Rain filters too. So let's start with step 1 from the Ziploc bag. We took out one lid and a stopper. These stoppers have papers on them. We have to remove them and stick it on our lid. This is really sticky. Put it on one side of the transparent tube. Push the supporter and attach the lid on. Let's take our support sticks and put on the rain filter and alternate it. Goes to the bottom, then a filter supporter, then another rain filter. The supporter and the filter and the supporter alternately. Filter supporters are like operators and like stopping them from getting attached to each other. And now another. Call it separators because they're separating. Friends, there are no more rain stick filters and I've done it. Now let's put this inside our transparent tube. This stopper has a hole in it, so let's come and poke the stick inside. They look like potato rings. All done. Now we insert our support stick into our transparent tube. Now let's enter the beads to make the rain sound. Pour the beads to make the rain sound. Ziploc bags and Ziploc bags. Friends, I put in the beads. They already make a rain sound. So for them not to come out, let's put a lid and a stopper. I attached it. Now I'm done. Up and away. Friends, I put on the lid and our rain stick is ready. Can you hear the sound of rain in the pretty beach? I meant multicolors. We had so much fun playing with this. It's a maracas. The fourth activity is done. This is the fifth activity. It is change makers. So this is about a water saving challenge. Let's put everything inside. It is a 21-day challenge. So let's open it up. Friends, I already started this just today and I already got a token. So now this water saving challenge is about we have to save water in different types of ways. So if, for example, if I save water in one type of way, I get 1 star. We have to get 6 stars in one day. We have to get 21 tokens. There are some tokens. So we get 6 stars for one day and we just put the token on, today's token on. So I already started it and I got 6 stars already. I kept the token on. Let me show you. This is our water challenge tracker. I've got already 6 stars. So I kept my token on the first day. We have to do 21 days. So on the 7th day is 1 week. We get a water saving badge. On the 14th day, it becomes 2 weeks. We get a Let's Solve book. And on the 21st day, it will become 3 weeks. We get a Water Savior Award. So any day, if we miss in the 21 days, we have to restart from the first day. I already got 6 stars in the token. These are water tokens too. So the ways I solved, let me show you. So this is the Water Savior Award for the final 21st day. This is a sticker. We have to stick it and attach our photo here. I'm going to show you how I got 6 stars in one day. So we can do so many ways. There are ways here. So these are all the ways to do. I did this brushing with 1 mug and using 1 bucket, turning off taps, hand wash, and this and this. So it means I did 6 and I got 6 stars and 1 token. This is the final one. So the 14th day one is the Let's Solve book. It has activities and stuff in it. So the Let's Solve book. And for the 7th day, we got on the 7th day. I am a water champion. This is a real good initiative. We all have to practice it at home. It's a good way to save water and save our environment. So many people get water by this video. Bye.